Alright, so at this point you have a good understanding of what you're going to learn in the course. Plus you know how to access our all-star community using the message boards for any questions or problems you have throughout the course. You know that you're going to be able to get access to all of my coding courses, plus my freelancing ebook. You know how to get a free trial of Adobe Photoshop, plus you now know of the Creative Market secret, where you can get free icons, fonts, graphics, photos, themes, so on and so forth every week. You've set your price as a freelancer. You've played around with the tool to see the kind of money that you can charge for freelance projects once you've completed this course. And up next, we're going to be jumping right into visual design, an introduction, and we're going to talk about the history. We're going to go and learn about typography and a bunch of other really cool stuff to get us started. See you there.